Hey, what's up guys? While the cameras on OnePlus 9 series could be backed by LEICA Optics if the latest leak is to be believed. This new leak comes shortly after a pre-production unit of the OnePlus 9. The OnePlus 9 series is a rumored to launch in mid-March 2021, but the hype on the peak. I have a basic idea about what to expect from the upcoming OnePlus phones courtesy of some early leaks and speculations, which is why this new development comes as a surprise. According to a tweet by popular tipster Timmy on Twitter, OnePlus is likely to collaborate with LEICA in the near future. Maybe it already has for the upcoming OnePlus 9 series, but we won't know for sure unless it comes directly from the horse's mouth. That said, the tweet also highlighted smartphone brands that have partnered with camera pioneers. These include Huawei with LEICA, Nokia and Vivo with Zeissys. Interestingly, Vivo recently announced that it had collaborated with Zeissys for optimizing its gimbal camera system on the upcoming X60 series. This was followed by a leak of the X60 Pro that gave us a glimpse of camera module with Zeissys branding. If the leak about OnePlus partnering with LEICA comes to be true, we could see a similar branding appear on the upcoming OnePlus phones. OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro are rumored to be joined by the OnePlus 9e that sits between the OnePlus Nord and OnePlus 9. The OnePlus 9 series is expected to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor. Several reports indicate that the phone could have IP68 certification. NFC and dual stereo speakers. OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro are likely to receive the same 65W fast charging support as the OnePlus 8T along with 40W fast wireless charging support. OnePlus 9 is rumored to feature a 6.55-inch display while the OnePlus 9 Pro could have a 6.7-inch screen. The displays could support 120Hz refresh rate and are likely to retain the punch hole notch cutout for the selfie camera. The OnePlus 9 has been leaked previously sporting 3 cameras on the back that includes a 48-megapixel primary camera, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera or a macro camera or maybe a depth sensor. Let's see what would do OnePlus with camera system. Hope you guys enjoy this and wait for next. Subscribe for more tech updates. Also take care of yourselves. Bye bye.